Do you want to send pictures on TikTok messages? You can send multiple photos on TikTok chat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send multiple pictures in TikTok messages. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, open the chat of the person you want to send more than one picture to. Inside the chat box, tap on the gallery icon next to the message typing box. Your phone's gallery will open. From here, select the photo or multiple photos you want to send. You can select up to 9 pictures. Once selected, tap on the Send button. The pictures will now appear in the chat, and your friend will be able to view them directly in TikTok messages.